Ever wondered how to turn your kitchen into a science lab and unleash the magic of mind-blowing experiments right at home? Well, you're in for an electrifying treat today. Welcome to our incredible journey through the top 10 amazing science experiments you can try at home. Number 1. Plastic chemistry, making slime. Grab your lab coat, or not, and let's get slimy. Picture this, a gooey, colorful masterpiece you can create with just everyday items. Who knew science could be this much fun? So, grab 2 plastic cups, 2 plastic spoons, your favorite food coloring, some borax powder, usually hanging out next to the laundry detergent, and PVA glue. Now, are you ready to make the magic happen? Start by mixing borax with water until it dissolves. Patience is key, my friends. Then, let's jazz up that PVA glue with water and a dash of food coloring. Mix it like you're the DJ of slime parties. Add a splash of the borax solution. Give it a good stir and voila! Watch that mixture turn into some serious slime action. Give it 30 seconds and boom, you've got yourself a slimy buddy to play with. But wait, the fun doesn't stop there. Ever wondered how stretchy, springy, bouncy, or wet your slime can get? Play around with the ingredient ratios and become the ultimate slime maestro. Number 2. Soda Volcano. Forget the boring Mentos and Coke routine. We're about to take it up a notch. You'll need a big bottle of Diet Coke, a pack of Mentos, ninja-like reflexes, and an open space. Definitely not indoors, folks. Now, are you prepared for the fizzy spectacle? Drop those Mentos into the cola bottle and brace yourself for the eruption. It's like a mini volcano in your backyard. Why does it happen? Well, those seemingly smooth Mentos are actually rough on a microscopic level. Fizzy drinks love them because they provide the perfect stage for a bubbly chemical reaction, releasing that delightful carbon dioxide. But don't stop there, become a flavor scientist. Try different Mentos flavors, mix up cola brands, or toss in other sugar-coated treats. You can even throw a curveball with a sports drink cap on the cola. The possibilities are as endless as your scientific curiosity. Number 3. The science of hypercooling. Alright, buckle up for my absolute favorite experiment, the mind-boggling science of hypercooling. Picture this, a metal bucket, a kilo of table salt, 6 bottles of water, 2 bags of crushed ice, and a whole lot of patience. Intrigued yet? Trust me, this one's a showstopper. Now, here's the scoop. Head over to the video for the nitty-gritty details. It might seem simple, but delicacy is the key here. And here's the kicker. After you're done, challenge your friends to a showdown of pouring the tallest freezing tower. Who's up for the challenge? Number 4. Rocket science, pocket rockets. Forget NASA. We're making pocket rockets with stuff you can find lying around. Grab an old-school photo film canister, you know, the ones camera shops practically give away, an Alka-Seltzer tablet, a smidge of blue tack, water, and optional watercoloring or paint for that extra flair. Now, pay attention. Take off the canister's lid, slap that Alka-Seltzer onto the blue tack, fill her up halfway with water, seal the lid tight, and voila! You just birthed a fuel-filled pocket rocket. Flip it upside down, take a step back, and get ready for liftoff. Curious what's happening? It's pure science magic. Pressure is the name of the game. As the Alka-Seltzer does its thing, releasing carbon dioxide, the airtight canister becomes a pressure cooker. And when pressure builds, cue the pop. But that's not all. Try different water amounts and fizzing tablets for a pocket rocket extravaganza. Oh, and I've got this sneaky trick where I count silently and snap my fingers as each rocket takes off. Who said science can't be a blast? Number 5. The science of double glazing. Picture this. You've got 2 1-liter bottles, 1 2-liter bottle, and a pair of sharp scissors. Now, grab 2 identical glasses or paper cups, something slim enough to slip into the smaller bottle. Are you with me so far? Good. Next, get your hands on a jug because things are about to get hot. We're talking tap water hot. Oh, and don't forget the thermometer strips. You can snag those bad boys at your local pharmacy or supermarket. Can you believe you're going to turn those plastic bottles into your very own science lab? Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Cut the smaller bottles, fill those glasses with hot tap water. and watch the magic unfold. Number 6. Physics Magic Tricks. Get ready for some physics magic, my friends. First up, the sticky rice trick. Imagine lifting a whole jar with just a pencil. Crazy, right? Find out the secrets to this rice wizardry and impress your pals. But wait, there's more. Ever thought about bending water with static electricity? Grab a balloon, rub it against your head, yes, really, and watch water do things you never thought possible. It's like your own water-bending party. And for the grand finale, super bouncing. Tennis ball versus basketball, who will bounce higher? Combine them, drop them like it's hot, and prepare for a bouncing bonanza. Pro tip: have a neighbor on standby to return that runaway tennis ball. Number 7. Rainbow in a glass. Ever wondered if you could trap a rainbow in a glass? Gather 5 glasses, sugar, water, various food colorings, a tablespoon, and a sprinkle of epic patience. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Can you layer different densities of water without making a mess? Challenge accepted. Pour, stir, and add those vibrant colors like your Picasso. But here's the twist. Pour each layer so gently that they don't mix. Pro tip: use a spoon to minimize the splash. The slower you go, the more magical it gets. What's cooking? The different sugar densities create layers that sit on top of each other like a rainbow skyscraper. And guess what? It's not just about science, it's about creating a masterpiece in a glass. And hey, if you want a tastier version, swap the food coloring for your favorite drink mixes. Cheers to science and rainbows in a sip. Number 8. Hot ice. Who said ice can only be cold? Brace yourself for an experiment that defies the laws of freezing. Introducing hot ice, the coolest, literally, thing you'll ever try at home. Grab parental supervision, sodium acetate, online shopping, anyone? A Pyrex dish, scissors, and your curiosity. Pour that sodium acetate into a saucepan, add water, and stir until it's like magic melting before your eyes. Now, here's the kicker. Pop that liquid marvel into the fridge for an hour. When you take it out, touch it, and watch it freeze instantly. But here's the mind bender: the container feels warm. How is that even possible? Science alert! It's supercooling in action, folks. Freezing doesn't care about temperature. It's all about transforming liquid into solid. And guess what? You can take this experiment to the next level by creating your own frozen sculptures. Number 9. Grow your own crystals. Ever dreamed of being a crystal wizard? Imagine having your own sparkly creations hanging in your room. What you need: sodium borate, water, pipe cleaners, string, ice lolly sticks, and jars. But how do you make the magic happen? Twist those pipe cleaners into funky shapes: stars, hearts, unicorns, whatever tickles your fancy. Sling those shapes onto ice lolly sticks using string and suspend them into jars. Now, the secret sauce. Mix hot water and sodium borate until it's all dissolved. Pour that mix into your jars, covering your hanging shapes. Here's the suspense part: let it chill overnight. Or, if you're impatient like me, at least 6 hours. Peek inside the jars and bam! Crystal City. Dry them off on kitchen roll and voila! You just become a crystal maestro. Your room's gonna look like a fairyland. Number 10. Self-inflating balloon. Get ready to blow your friends' minds with a self-inflating balloon extravaganza. All you need is a fizzy drinks bottle, a latex balloon, and a touch of biology and physics. Measure out some yeast, sugar, and water into the bottle. Cover it up with the balloon and secure it with an elastic band. Now, the yeast, that tiny superhero, is eating sugar and breathing out carbon dioxide, inflating your balloon. But wait, the fun doesn't stop there. Be your own mad scientist. Play around with different temperatures, sugar types, and amounts to see how fast you can turn that balloon into a science party. Get ready for some serious "whoa, how did you do that?" reactions. Which experiment are you most excited to try? Let us know in comments, and like and subscribe for more mind-bending science content.